were frozen solid. We were in the AM/PM parking lot holding them up in front of the vents in our car to warm them up. Bagel and her siblings were found in shrubs by a woman walking her dog. We didn't even go home. We drove right in from California and picked those kittens up right away. Got there the next day and they still were cold. My heart just sank when I saw them. They never had a chance to have their mother, and they were just 1 day old, so I didn't know if they would survive this, but we were gonna give them a chance. I didn't get really scared until Bagel stopped eating. We thought we were going to lose her. Her weight was drastically going down. It just killed me. I thought I can't do, she has to live, she has to live. And that's when we started tube feeding, which is scary. I promised in the middle of the night when I was tube feeding her that if this baby made it, we would have the biggest party. We would tube feed her for a few days, and every day I would try the bottle to see if it worked. And one day it did, and I texted my husband at work, and I was so excited, and I said, she's eating, she's eating. She makes quite a mess, but I don't care as long as she's eating. After Bagel started eating on her own, I really felt like every milestone was important, so I celebrated every milestone. When their eyes opened, when they gained weight, even when they started grooming themselves, we celebrated it because it was a milestone that we didn't even know if they would have. Spud has been my little feisty boy. He's so handsome. He's such a hunk.
You got up there all by yourself? You did it.
Pancake is a total lap kitten. Her future family is going to not be able to get her off their lap.
You are my bagel, my little bagel. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, bagel, how much I love you. Please don't take my little schmoopy away.
Bagel wants to be with us and nothing will stop her, even including the little baby gate we put up.
Don't do it, Bagel. Don't do it. You brat.
There she is. She just wants me to pick her up. Yeah. I'm already crying now, and we're several weeks away from adoption, but they're bittersweet tears. You know, a lot of people say that they can't foster because they wouldn't be able to say goodbye, that it's really hard. Well, I'm here to tell you, it's really hard.
So the question is, how do you let them go? And I'm going to show you today because she's getting adopted right now. And there's your baby.
My heart may break just a little bit so that theirs will never have to break again. It's hard for me, but it frees up my home for others that need me. And if I didn't say goodbye to the ones in the past, then I would have never had these babies. So I have to say goodbye.
This is your mama. This is your mama.
But thankfully, they have wonderful homes that they're going to. I still cannot believe the progress they've made. I'm so proud of them. They were frozen solid.